if there are so many roadblocks at DOA, Bureau Budget, whatever it is, we can say to people, it has to be a priority. These families can't wait. They just can't.
With a court case that's lagged for more than a decade, lawmakers like Senator Dr. Eileen Yamashita had hoped to get concrete answers about how mental health and the federal management team is making strides in implementing a plan of action and providing care to those in the community who need it the most. Mental Health Director Wilfred Affligui admitted today that the department has had difficulty in finalizing contracts with many of its service providers that are providing the very services the government can't.
We don't have a contract with LADI right now. We've been going on with LADI for the last 5 years, the department, on a court order by Judge Merriman.
When I hear that LADI hasn't had a contract for 5 years, I just, what are we doing? This is local, right? This is sustainability. This is an accredited program. And I just hope that we are able to understand what the issues are and to resolve them. Whatever the inconsistencies are, I really think 6 years is a really long time of a service that fortunately they haven't shut down and gone away.
Affligui assured lawmakers and stakeholders that contracts would be in place by next month to ensure the continuation of services. Federal management team's Dr. James Kiffer, meanwhile, says efforts to recruit the necessary clinical personnel have started back up since May, when a trustee was appointed by the court and the money collected from the government was deposited into a special account.
Now that the funds are available, and that's about a little over a month ago, about 6 weeks ago, we are now in the process of developing the RFPs again, drafting the RFPs for the activities that we need. We're actively recruiting, and that's where a lot of these psychiatrists came from.
Dr. Kiffer estimates that the account has more than $7.7 million in it, a substantial amount to ensure the plan of action proceeds. Now it's that money in the bank that has the Calvo administration asking the court for a third delay in monthly mandated payments to the court. A $3.2 million payment is scheduled to be made on August 1st, but Gov Guam has asked the court to modify the payment schedule by pushing the current schedule back 90 days or reducing the amounts owed. It's a request that the federal management team does not oppose. According to the motion, Gov Guam states it's financially unable to make the August 1st payment without cutting government services and personnel. Judge Consuelo Marshall has yet to rule on that request. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Mindy Egan.